Well, boys, back at it again on the Subaru. We've been putting it off, slinging some car parts here and there. We got some space cleared. Not really. We got some parts sold, but definitely enough space cleared to get moving on to the next project. And that today is removal of the dash. If you hadn't removed your dash from your 02 to 07 Subaru Impreza or WRX or STI this is a good learning lesson today. I haven't actually removed the GD dash personally. I've only dealt with GC, so this should be fun. I'm assuming it's in the same sense of order of operations, PEMDAs, whatever, what have you. Probably remove the resub. Probably remove glove box first. And I don't think that you have to have the steering wheel broken down as much as I do. I just have it that way because I wanted the adapter, and by the time I got taking stuff apart, and this, I don't know what happened with the wires cut or why anything's like anything in this car. So with some of the wiring, I myself am not a wiring guy, but I just know that some of this stuff is interesting. So we're too close for missiles. We're switching to guns today, boys. Let's get this dash out.
Divide.
Moving your body, shorty, what's on your mind? Yeah, tell me one good reason to hide it. Play tag with your feelings, but you not it. We don't feel the same. Feelings tend to change. Tell me one good reason to stay. I don't like your malicious ways. Moving your body, shorty, what's on your mind? Yeah, tell me one good reason to hide it. Play tag with your feelings, but you not it. Feelings in the Sprite, yeah, I think I might. Hold it all up, no fight. Bitch, I'm spending no cash, and made back the bag. What you heard is you heard what I said. Step on the opposition, he gon' tell. I don't know what they have. They on my ass. I don't know what. Hoes on deck, you won't see the sunlight. Oh, hoes mad, because I'm living so right. Don't be wrong, but I don't got no friends. No, I don't wanna do it again. Baby girl, take my hand. Moving your body, shorty, what's on your mind? Yeah, tell me one good reason to hide it. Tag with your feelings, but you not it. We don't feel the same. Feelings tend to change. Tell me one good reason to stay. I don't like your malicious ways. Moving your body, shorty, what's on your mind? Yeah, tell me one good reason to hide it. Play tag with your feelings, but you not.
Boom. Harness is out of the car. Guys, that was an interesting feat for sure. I wanted to show, now I gotta find where I placed it. It got hot on this harness, so I'm a little worried, but not too worried. Aha! Look at this, guys. I couldn't get this plug apart, and I was like, why can't I get this apart? And then I'm looking, and then, oh, it's fused together, like the plastic melted together. So I cut all that on that side, and if you want to see inside the car, it definitely got hot. It's all chewed up. And then not to mention this wiring, interesting wiring here for the gauges, got a little hot too. I don't know, man. This, and then the grounding point was to the pedal. So you have your gas pedal in theory, and it's in this. So, dang it. It's finally time to put this damn video to rest. We got the dude on his way over right now to pick this shell up. I need to grab just the dash out of it and that harness over there. But he should be here next 20 or so, and then we'll get him rocking and rolling out of here. Hopefully I can get that bit of the harness with no issues. That's what's left of what the harness I want to grab. So probably move this shit to the side, move that shit to the side, and let her rip. Yank her out. It's out the door. We're getting it gone. Got the jack in the works here. This man's got some meat hooks. We're gonna get this bitch gone. Thank God. Man's a savior. He came out, I don't know from where, but 40-minute drive. So I'm thankful at any rate. But you want me to, I'll drop this one, move it out the way. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. Exactly what I want. Yes, sir. I think there's only lights on this, but that's it. I don't know if I'm about anything else. Hell yeah! Hell yeah, brother. She's gone. Say goodbye. To my next point. Now that car is no more. I've got to get all this shit cleaned up. What's your favorite song right now? What's your favorite song right now? Yeah, put that in the comments. Thanks for watching.